Okay everyone, so how to add a favicon to your Wix website in 2022. I will also show you in the beginning how to create your own favicon with canva.com. So let's do this. Okay, so first we're gonna select the website where we want to add our favicon on, alright? So I'm just gonna go to my Wix dashboard, and after that I'm gonna go up to the top left drop down menu, click on my sites, and I'm gonna choose this site, Andreas Watt's website. And to be able to add a favicon to your Wix website, you need to have some kind of premium plan on Wix, alright? So I'm just gonna go and click on this website. Alright, so if you don't have your favicon in place, I will just show you where you can get one for free and what to think about when creating your favicon. So I'm just gonna go and open up a new browser. I'm gonna add canva.com. Alright, after that I'm just gonna go and search for logo. You can just create a free account here on Canva and make this favicon for free. I'm just gonna click on logo. I'm gonna choose create a blank logo. So if you go up right here, you see that Canva has a blue background with a big C. So the thing is, you should not use small text in your favicon. So Wix has a white background with WIX, alright? So you have to have something that are easy to see even if it's that small as a favicon. So my goal is just to make a one color background, yellow, and I'm just gonna go and add a text like so, and all I will have is a W like so. Alright, I'm gonna increase this, and we're not gonna cover the whole area. We're gonna have some space around this W, so this is good enough. So you can just choose your own custom font if you like. So let's say I want to have this one, and we're just gonna leave some space around this, and we can make sure that this one is centered like so. After that I'm just gonna go and save this one, and we're gonna go back to Wix and upload this favicon. Alright, we're gonna go back to Wix, and now we're gonna go to settings here in the left sidebar. We're gonna go to general and go to website settings. Now we're gonna go down to favicon, and you can see the preview right here, favicon on browser tab right here. So we're gonna go and upload this new favicon that we just created. I'm gonna go to upload media. I'm gonna choose from my computer. After that, click on upload from computer, and I'm gonna choose this favicon. Click on open like that. I'm gonna go and click on choose file, and as you can see it's not quite centered, so I'm just gonna go and update the image. I'm gonna go click on the image. I'm gonna go and click on crop and edit. So I'm gonna just crop it like so. I'm gonna go and click on save, go and click on choose file like that. So now it's more centered, and now we can see the preview right here. We can go and click on save, and we can go and check the website out. I'm just gonna go to my website URL, and now we can see that I have this favicon with a yellow background and this W, and in my case I can make this W bigger if I like. But this is how you can add your favicon into your Wix website. If you want more of these tutorials, you find the full Wix tutorial playlist in the description below. If you want to hire me, you find contact information in the description below. Subscribe for more of these tutorials. Have an awesome day, take care, and bye.